Hello. We've had a question about the placement of serial numbers on these special edition pens issued by Mont Blanc. These two pens, the James Purdy and the Masters of L'Aubrac, both have serial numbers on them that can be found if you know where to look. Just to give you a quick idea, on regular pens, they're the standard ones that are neither limited edition nor special edition. The number would be laser inscribed here at the top, starting with MB, and then a sequence of numbers. So this is a fountain pen, it has it. Regular rollerball pen has it in the same place. Just there, right? So laser inscribed at the top. But these Masters of Meisterstück don't have any visible numbers on the top or on the bottom. So nothing. Now, where you would look for these the serial numbers is in this gap here. So once you unscrew the piston, as far as it goes, you're going to see on that surface, on the surface here, a number printed. It's hard to see. There you can see it on the left, going through it there, a series of laser inscribed numbers. Let's see if we can get a better view from it on the front here. There you can just see the 9 with the light there. Yeah, there it is. Or is that dust? Where is it? Oh, that was dust. Okay, there it should be somewhere there. Okay, you get a better look at it that way. There. So that's where you'd look for the serial number, and that number would be, should be identical to the warranty certificate that you'll get from Mont Blanc, or that you'd get from the person who's selling you the pen if you're getting it used. So that's where you'd find the serial number on these special edition pens. The limited edition pens would have their series number somewhere far more visible. Because it's a limited edition, you want to be able to show easily that, okay, this is number 300 of 1100 models. So it's a lot easier to find, but on a special edition, it's not as important, I imagine. I'm curious to know if there is a similar number here on the same area. And I think there is. Well, it says metal. And there is a number there as well, inscribed on the surface there. So of course anyone doing maintenance on the pen would be quite able to access that number and authenticate the pen if there are any worries about whether the pen's a forgery or not. So if you've gotten these special edition pens and you've not been able to find a serial number in the usual spot up there, unscrew the piston and have a very close look on the surface that is, that's the barrel surface here on the inside, and it would be just sort of in that gap, barely visible, but if you know where to look, it's there. So hopefully you find that helpful and answer a few of your questions about how to authenticate, or at least how to identify a serial number on the limited edition, the special editions, and the regular editions of Mont Blanc pens.